All right, thank you very much, everyone. Once again, welcome to our technical webinar entitled Safety Management in the Digital Era. Again, my name is Marvin, and I'm really glad that you're here. And yan, pinagalaw ko lang. Um, Yun po. I'm glad that you have spent some time. You stopped your with your work and then spent some time here to listen to this webinar. And I can assure you naman na there are so many things you're going to learn from this um, quick talk 2 hour webinar. And um, I believe this is something really relevant and applicable to almost everyone, if not all. Okay, so safety management in the digital era. This is a talk that comes from someone who is both in the academic and in the industrial background. Um, so what am I talking about? Share ko na lang ang konting background ko. Sa mga umattend last time sa sa first webinar namin, they've already seen this and have heard of my background. Um, Ayan po, as you can see, I'm an electronics engineer and actually professional electronics engineer, PEC, for 2 years already. Bago lang. And but before that, I've had some experience in the audiovisual systems engineering field, a little bit of IT, and some construction background din, konti, very brief lang. And most of my experience is actually in the academia. Ayan, so doon na po ako tumagal and currently nasa academy po ako sa Lilo Science and Technology University and at the same time practicing my profession as a PECE. And I've just recently started my small company named Acne Projects. So a little background lang about Acne Projects before we start with the talk. Um, we we are bringing or holding the tagline your digitalization partner. Lagi ako nabubulol sa word niyan. Um, Palitan ko na kaya. Anyway, digitalization partner meaning anything that need to be digitalized or better gawing digital or yung mga processes na gawing mas efficient, mas smart para mas madaming kayang gawin, mas madaming kayang tapusin or mas maganda yung quality ng mga results. So basically that would involve the application of smart systems. So both hardware and software. So yun po yung um, pinaka-core na essence ng company namin. And masasum up po yan sa apat na areas of services that we offer. We have the Project Click or the ICT Solutions and Engineering Services. Basically, kung ano po yung kayang i-offer ng isang PECE or even ng isang ECE, yun po yung pinaprovide ng Project Click from sign and seal up to documentation and training. Yun po. While si Project Shift Solve naman, R&D. So while we are offering these services, we have a team that continuously develop or research on and develop these smart systems. So various smart systems for our target flagship na technologies. Okay, and then we also have Project Cart, electronics product distribution and retail. So calling for ano na pa tayo, calling for partners. Baka meron pa dyan na gusto magpa-distribute or makipag-collaborate sa amin. We're very much open para ma-introduce po namin yung mga brands ninyo and yung mga technologies ninyo in each of our talk or in each of our other activities like our free workshops here in Iloilo. As of now, we are just nakafocus pa kami sa mga piyesa, mga Arduino and sensors and other minor electronic components and some merchandising na products. While si Project Prince naman, digital design and printing services. So from documents and up to 3D printing po. Okay, if you want to learn more about Accounting projects, you can hopefully you can scan our QR code or just visit Accounting projects, yeah, in Facebook. Ayun po. So I believe naka-tune in naman kayo ngayon sa Accounting projects na FB Live. Okay, so but if you're having a hard time finding out the details or finding the details that you need about our company, feel free to contact us. You can chat us or you can email us. Nasa ano din po, nasa mga post din namin yung contacts namin. Okay, so feel free to reach out po. Right? So now, this is what we're going to do. We're going to do what we're going to talk about. So our topic is safety management in the digital era. When I was trying to come up with a list of topics that I would share sa webinar series na i-offer po namin as part of our soft launch last June. Isa po to sa kasi naging subject ko din po to dati na nakapag-teach pa ako ng occupational health and safety sa CPE students. So, naging gusto ko siya and naging pang um, I'm really much convinced of the essence of safety, especially in the workplace. But I've learned that I cannot actually conduct safety training in the public or outside our company unless I would register myself as a safety trainer. But although I'm an SO2 certificate holder already, I can only share safety training or talks about safety within the company that I am part of. Okay? So, medyo dinivert ko siya. Medyo tinweak ko siya. And nakalista na naka-line up na. So, tinweak ko ng konti yung focus ng talk na pa. So, more on the merging of safety practices or principles and technology side. Okay, actually more on technology. So this is I would like to clarify po, this is not a safety training by as a whole po. This is some relating our technologies to the applications or to safety management applications. So yun po. Okay? So sad to say, sorry, baka na-disappoint po yung iba, baka nag-expect this would be somewhat like a Kosh or a Bosch training. Consider this as a supplementary knowledge po. Whatever you are going to learn here from this talk, karagdagang kaalaman po or bonus. Okay, so ito pa yung na-come up ko na subtopics for this talk. So first one, we're going to talk about the evolution of safety practices in industrial and even in digital platforms. So although we're talking about safety practices, we're going to relate them, their evolution to the evolution also of industries or what we know as the Industrial Revolution. Okay? And right now we are in the fourth industrial revolution and balikan natin ng konti from the very beginning and what comes or what lies ahead pa after the fourth industrial revolution or the industry 4.0. Okay, next we're going to talk about the digital tools for safety monitoring and compliance. So back to basics po until to the more advanced and more sophisticated na systems para mas matulungan po yung mga safety officers and admins natin, mga leaders natin and managers na ma-maintain ang safety sa workplace while complying to the authorities like the DOLE, OSHC. Okay. Third, we have the IoT, AI, and analytics for predictive safety management. Now, as I've said earlier, we're going to focus much on the technologies, but at the same time, we're not this talk is not all about these technologies. Kumbaga, what will I'm going to share what will happen if we combine these technologies. If this What will happen if these technologies will work together as one, especially for uses such as predictive safety management. Yan po. And lastly, since we are talking about technologies, and especially we are currently in the fourth industrial revolution, where data is a crucial kumbaga parang fuel, and para yung fuel na yon makapag-travel or makapag-move from one device to another all around the world. Mostly gumagamit po tayo ng internet or ng mga public na links. So that's where cyber threats come in, and that's why we have to secure some measures or provide some measures to secure our digital systems or whatever tools that we use for our safety management. And actually, for everything that we do in the internet or online, um, kailangan lagi may cybersecurity measures tayong ginagawa. Okay, not just for safety management.